everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I will be showing you how to leave a review on TripAdvisor. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead to the official TripAdvisor.com website right here and log into your account. If you do not already have an account guys, you can go ahead and create an account right here, and after that, after logging in, you will be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all of the options that you have on the website. As you can see, you can enter the hotels page or the things to do. Here you can search for whatever you want in your city. If you scroll down a bit, you can see you can finish some quizzes or read articles and so on. So guys, let's say that you have been to a business that you want to review right now on the website. It's very easy to do and you only need a couple of steps. The first thing we want to do guys is go right here in the top of the page and find this option right here called review. Click in review guys. Let's go ahead, and now this will take us to this new page where we can search for the business that we want to review. So I'm going to search for anything. I'm just going to go ahead and type in restaurant. After clicking on restaurant guys, you can see that now you'll be able to choose the restaurant that you have been to if you search for the correct name. I'm going to select this restaurant right here. And now this will open up this new page guys where we can edit our info about the review. So as you can see here, you can rate your experience. Here you can select the date when you have went to the place, who did you go to, and so on. And here you can write your review. As you can see, you need to type in a minimum of 100 characters, so make sure that the review is detailed. You can type in what you liked and what you didn't like about the place, what you thought about it, and so on. After you're finished guys, title your review right here, and after that you can even add some pictures if you want about the place or something similar that relates to the business. After you're finished guys, just go ahead and click on submit review, and now you will successfully submit the review of the business and other people will be able to read your review. So yeah guys, basically that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.